ready to make your Shopify store even more trustworthy and customer-friendly. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel and click on Online Store. Then select Themes to customize your website's look. Find the theme you want to edit and click Customize. This will take you to the theme editor where the magic happens. Now, look for the footer section, which is usually at the bottom. Sometimes you can directly edit it here, adding your address, contact number, and email. If you don't see a direct edit, click the 3 dots, then select Edit Code to access the theme's code. This is where we can dive deeper. Locate the footer.liquid file. This is typically where the footer's structure is defined. Now, carefully insert your store's address, contact number, and email into the code, using HTML to format them nicely. Include clickable links for your email and phone number, using mail to and tell in the code. Remember to check how it looks on mobile. Make sure the details are readable and well-spaced on smaller screens. Adjust the settings to optimize it. Finally, hit save and preview your changes now. Your store details are easily accessible, building trust and boosting customer engagement.